Cartwright saves grandma. Seth Cartwright is 12 years old boy who lives with his parents and grandmother Rose in their home in Vernonia, Oregon. He is now being hailed as Brave Seth, as he had risked his life to save his grandmother from a raging fire. In 2012, Seth smelled leaking gas at his home and looked around for the source. Just then, he saw his grandmother lit a cigarette in her bedroom. Within seconds, she and the entire house was engulfed in flames. She was barely able to walk. Seth knew that no one else was in the house to save the grandmother. So, he went inside the room and managed to carry his grandma safely out of the house. He requested his neighbors to call the ambulance. Although their home was damaged by the fire, yet the grandmother was saved. All because of Brave Seth. The hero of 1989, Tiananmen Square. China is a neighboring nation of India. It is a big and powerful country. There is no democracy in China. People do not have freedom in China. In 1989, the students began protesting against the Chinese authorities. A large number of protesters assembled at Tiananmen Square in Beijing. The Chinese government ordered the army to use force against the protesters. A column of military tanks approached the protesters. There was a young student among the protesters. He ran and stood in front of the approaching tanks. Everyone admired his bravery, and he became a hero. Some of the protesters pulled him away before he was crushed by the tanks. Till date, his identity is a mystery, and he is called simply Tank Man. Today, no one remembers this hero, and he is forgotten. It is rumored that he was executed. Others believe that he went into hiding. But at that time, the Times magazine listed him among the 100 most influential people in the 20th century. Gandhi's Dandi March. Mahatma Gandhi was among one of the bravest people in the world. He fought against the mighty British without any weapon. He and his followers suffered terrible hardships and were jailed again and again. He broke the laws that were made against the Indians, but he never used violence. Once, the British government in India imposed tax on salt. Everyone, from rich to poor, depends on salt for cooking food. Gandhi opposed this law because the price of salt should be negligible, since poor people also consume it. In order to break the salt law, Gandhi decided to trek a distance of 248 miles along with his followers to Dandi, a coastal town. He and his followers decided to make salt at Dandi. The British used violence against them. They did not allow them to break the law. However, this incident exposed the true face of the British rule. Gandhi became a hero of millions of hearts. The courageous Rosa Parks. Rosa Parks was a brave woman in America. Some decades ago in America, the white people did not treat the black as their equal. The blacks were segregated, which meant they were not allowed to study in schools where the white children studied. The black people were not allowed to sit with the white people. Rosa Parks was an African American. She did not like to be discriminated. One day, she was going by bus. She was asked to give up her seat for a white passenger. She refused. She was arrested because she had broken law. Her act of courage and bravery caught the attention of media and people. She became popular overnight. The civil rights movement was already going on in America. Her act of bravery gave strength to the movement. However, her bravery was soon forgotten, and she remained unrecognized for about a decade. Later, she received national recognition.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.